Hello Awards are back to say hello, and so are the glam dolls of Bollywood. Hello Awards night पर आए बी टाउन के कई चेहरे, बट आज बी टुनाइट पर हम करेंगे हमारी बी टाउन की ब्यूटीफुल बेब्स के फैशन सेंस का पोस्टमार्टम. So let's get started with some fashion drama. सबसे पहले बात हमेशा कंट्रोवर्सीज का हिस्सा बने रहने वाली प्रियंका चोपड़ा की. पीसी यहाँ आई in a very simple, elegant avatar, wearing a tube white gown. Priyanka carried her look with a lot of oomph and confidence as always.
Well, I like peach and I like subtlety and I love lace and I think it's feminine and sexy.
और जितना elegantly उन्होंने खुद को किया carry, उतना ही candidly हमें बताया hello कहने के various अंदाज. So let's catch up with Miss Versatile Priyanka Chopra.
Hello. Hello.
Who was that for?
Take your pick.
Next on our list is Katrina Kaif. अब कटरीना ने रणबीर के साथ अपनी हेडलाइन तो इस अवार्ड्स नाइट में बना ही ली, but unfortunately her dressing didn't impress us much. We don't exactly want to give a thumbs up to that usual-looking gown, Cats. You could have done much better with your look. However, Cats, unlike PC, was a spoiled sport when it came to 3 quirky ways to say hello.
God knows, I feel like this is an acting test. I'm gonna go rehearse and come back.
चलिए कटरीना, आपने इतना तो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि acting doesn't come naturally to you. You need to rehearse for that. Anyways, up next is Anushka Sharma, जिन्होंने किया काफी glitz and gold showcase, donning a long golden gown and those dark maroon lips. Anushka lagi glamorous, but we've seen this look before on Sonam Anushka, so nothing new for us there. For now, a quick chat with Miss Sharma.
Anushka Sharma यहाँ पे आ चुकी हैं. Hello Hall of Fame. First of all, Anushka, hello. Hi. Hello.
Yes, hello.
So what do you expecting from the night?
Big cliche.
But you still didn't fall for it. You said hi. So what are you expecting out of the whole evening?
Well, actually, this is the first time that I'm attending this award show, so everything is going to be unique and new for me. So I'm looking forward to everything that the night has to offer.
And expecting any award?
I never expect awards, but when they do come, it feels nice.
Acceptance speech भी तैयार है.
Happy to accept the award.
And the speech is always ready.
Never. I'm terrible at giving speeches. It's horrible.
Talking about the other ladies who donned their best on the red carpet, Alia Bhatt, dressed in black, looked quite attractive with those big smoky eyes. However, her outfit was a bit ho-hum. But जो बात हमें आलिया के बारे में लगी सबसे ज्यादा cool, वो थी उनकी already prepared speech for all occasions.
और आपने कोई मतलब जब आप जीतेंगे अवार्ड, जाएंगी स्टेज पर, कोई एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच है, नहीं है, क्या है?
एक्चुअली मैंने स्पीच जब मैं 10 साल की थी तभी तैयार कर ली थी मैंने अपनी स्पीच. एवरी स्पीच, यू नो, आई नो न्यू कमर का स्पीच, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस स्पीच, मोस्ट स्टाइलिश स्पीच, आई हैव एवरी स्पीच रेडी.
यहाँ अगर न्यू कमर की स्पीच देनी होगी तो किस को थैंक करेंगे आप? नॉर्मली थैंक यू लिस्ट ज़्यादा लंबी होती है.
थैंक यू लिस्ट सबसे बड़ी थैंक यू आई थिंक गोज़ टू करण जौहर. मैं एक्चुअली लोग कहते हैं कि आई वांट टू मेक माय पेरेंट्स प्राउड, बट आई विल से आई वांट टू मेक माय पेरेंट्स एंड करण जौहर प्राउड.
एंड मोस्ट स्टाइलिश तो वैसे आप यहाँ पर भी हैं, तो मोस्ट स्टाइलिश स्पीच क्या क्या होगी आलिया के?
You know, just keep it simple. Just love who you are. Just let it come from inside. Just be comfortable in your own skin. All that.
I have heard that before for sure from many other actors.
It's a speech, yeah.
साथ ही यहाँ दिखी सोनाली बेंद्रे in a red sari, Sridevi looking quite glam, Madhuri Dixit again looking perfect in that black gown, and Suzanne Roshan not very impressive in that animal print gown. वैसे फैशन की बात के अलावा यहाँ हमने इन लेडीज से ये भी पूछा that who would they not lose in touch with and always say hello to, तो हमें मिले काफी varied and interesting जवाब.
You don't lose touch with people you don't want to lose touch with. You lose touch with people you want to lose touch with.
Absolutely.
I like to think that I have fairly decent manners. I think my mom brought us up fairly well. So anyone who calls me or whenever I pick up the phone, I will say hello.
From the industry, if you have to go up and say hello to, who would that be?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh my God, he's going to be here tonight.
I'll say hello to him definitely.
सभी को बोलूँगी I'm a very nice cordial person. Goldie, Behel.
Come on, he's your husband.
You?
Fine, thank you so much.
Various minds, different thoughts, and that was what the Hello Awards night was all about, which came to a sizzling hot end with a few controversies and juicy gossips. For Ilika Shrivastava, Zoom, Mumbai.